Alright, so all of that wasn't recorded. So we have to do it again. We have to do it again. Okay. Righto, you got it. Oh, you're giving it to me, are you? Okay. You brought it to Mummy. You can take it to Mummy this time. Oh, you're going to give it to me. All right then. Okay. Thank you. You like the way I do it better, do you? All right then. Whee! Well done. Oh, I've got to throw it, have I? Okay. Do you want me to flick it to Mummy? Okay, flick. Whoa! It's gone over there now. What? You can't find it. Oh yes, you've gone past it. Strange. Pushkin knows where it is. Hi. George has come back. Hi, Jorba. Dobry. Hi. I haven't got it. Oh, he sneezed on me. I don't usually use iPhone for uploading video. Well, especially there's no light anyway, not much light anyway. Just doing a gold list and eating Sidilka Patshubi. But this cat's not interested. I thought there might be a general cat activity involving both, but it hasn't worked out that way.
Sorry.
You never did that on video. This is going up definitely now.
Pushkin.
It's not Boxing Day, you don't have to box on these boxes. Boxing Day was 2 days ago. You pushed him off. That was quite good going. Elsa. Elsa. Phew. Elsa. Well, what you got to say for yourself? Have something to eat.